Hi, in this video I will go over how to add multi-digit numbers. Looking at our first problem, 1283 plus 280 plus 100. We will start off by adding the numbers on the right side of our equation. So this means we will add 3 plus 0 plus 0, and that gives us 3. Next, we will add 8 plus 0, which gives us 16. We can't write 16 like this. We will have to take the number that is in the ones place, which is our 6, and leave it here. The 1 we will take to the next step. So we will move it over up top. Now we have to add all 4 of those numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. And 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Next we have to bring down our comma. And we just have 1 over here, so we just bring that down. And our answer is 1,663. Next, we have 687 plus 198 plus 20. We will start off by adding the numbers on the right side. 7 plus 8 gives us 15. We will leave the 5 here, and we will carry over the 1 to the next one. Now we have to add 1 plus 8, which is 9. 9 plus 9 gives us 18. And 18 plus 2 gives us 20. We will keep the 0 here from the 20, and we will carry the 2 over to the next one. 2 plus 6 gives us 8, and 8 plus 1 gives us 9. So our answer is 905. Next, I have 368 plus 242 plus 31. I will start off by adding the numbers all the way on the right side. So 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. I will keep 1 here, and the next one I will carry over. 1 plus 6 gives me 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 11 plus 3 is 14. I will keep the 4 here, and I will carry over the 1 to the next one. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So the answer is 641. Next, we have 1,682 plus 361 plus 22. I will start off by adding all 3 numbers on the right side. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. Next, I have 8 plus 6 plus 2. 8 plus 6 gives me 14, and 14 plus 2 is 16. I will keep the 6 here, and I will carry the 1 over. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. I will keep the 0 here, and I will carry the 1 over to the next one. I will not forget I have to add my comma, and now I can add 1 plus 1, which is 2. So my answer is 2,065. Next, we have 1,203 plus 3,219 plus 5,620. I will start all the way on the right side. 3 plus 9 is 12, and 12 plus 0 is 12. So I will keep the 2 here, and I will carry the 1 over. Next, I will add 1 plus 0, which is 1, 1 plus 1, which is 2, and 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then I have 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then I will do 4 plus 6, which is 10. I will keep the 0 here from the 10, and I will carry the 1 over. I will now bring my comma down. Then I will add the last 4 numbers I have left. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. I will keep that 10 there since I have nothing to carry it over to. So my answer is 10,042. Lastly, I have 624 plus 124 plus 365. I will start off by adding 4 plus 4 plus 5, which gives me 13. I will bring the 3 here, and I will carry the 1 over there. Next, I will do 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 6 gives me 11. Lastly, I will add up all 4 of those numbers I have left. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. I will keep the 11 here since I have nothing to carry it over to, and I will always add my comma in. And this is how we add multi-digit numbers.